Good day, my family and friends. Welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your boy Smokepot as usual. Today, I'll be reaching out to my vegan friends. I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of calls and texts asking me to do 1 or 2 vegan meals. So today, I'll be doing just that. What I'll be doing today is my own little unique take on a mushroom dish. So I'll be doing a jerk mushroom stir fry. Right? I'll be doing a jerk mushroom stir fry. I'll be using the portobello mushroom. Those are the very huge ones. I'll be using the portobello mushrooms for that. What I'll be doing is just cut them nicely. You know, these are very firm mushrooms. You know, I want them to stay firm. You know, so we're gonna be cutting them like that. Right? We don't want them to be too small. We cut them like that. You know, you always, wash your vegetables. You know, you wash them, and I'll be washing them one more time. And guys, please remember to share, subscribe, and like if you like what I've been doing. You know, and also comment. And we'll be taking the next steps after we finish cutting them. Yes, so after cleaning my portobello mushroom, I'm gonna add a little jerk sauce that I have. And this one is basically the Walker's Wood brand. But whatever brand you have, it doesn't make any difference. You know, you just basically put your jerk sauce on it. You're also gonna add just a little seasoning. So I'll be adding a little sazon to it. And lastly, I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Add some all-purpose, just 1 teaspoon. Alright. After that, you just slowly mix it in. Just slowly mix it in. Because remember what we're doing. We're doing a jerk mushroom stir fry, okay? Jerk mushroom stir fry. We stir this in, and then after we stir it in, we're gonna leave it to sit for half an hour. So now I've had my mushroom marinating for a while in that jerk season, along with the other all-purpose season that I added to it. So now I'll continue. I'll be using some coconut oil, and this is the real coconut oil. So I'll be pouring some in the pot, so we can start sauteing our vegetable that's going to be added to it. Okay, so from there, we're going to be adding our vegetables, our seasoning, so to speak. So right here, we have our onions and some green bell peppers. Remember, we're doing a stir fry, okay? And for this pot, you want the colors. You want it to be very pleasant to the eyes. So I have some yellow and some red bell pepper. I have some snap peas right here, some thyme, some garlic. And we try to get them all into that coconut oil. Then I'm going to be adding my mushroom. And remember, my mushroom as I already have been based with some jerk sauce and also with some all-purpose seasoning. So I will not be adding too much more seasoning. I'll be adding my mushroom to this mix. try to get that all inclusive. I'm trying to have them breaking up. And as I'm saying, the color makes such a difference. And lastly, I have to taper down some of that spice that's in it. I choose to use some mixed vegetable, which have some corns, some carrots, and some string beans. And that's going to be added next. Some mixed vegetables. Get that all over and allow those flavors to be blended in. Yeah, so this time it's been sauteing for a minute. I can smell the aromas are beautiful right now, and as you can see, to the eyes it's very attractive. It's smelling really nice. And you know, for vegetable, you do not want to have vegetables be boiling forever. So you know, within a 10 minutes the most, depending on the type of vegetable. So this is basically ready, but you know, let me just get a little taste of the sauce and a little piece of the mushroom and see exactly how cooked it is. Maybe a piece of the corn also. Well, the sauce is very nice. It's a very great balance. It's very nice. Very nice. So, and it's very cooked. It's well cooked. So that's it. I'll be plating in a minute, and then you'll be able to see me enjoy. So now I'm ready to do some plating, and with my jerk mushroom stir fry, I'm going to be plating with some white rice, some salad, and some avocado or pear. All the colors, all the flavors that's in the plate make it so attractive. If you could just be here to smell what's going on. That's it. So this is my jerk mushroom stir fry. Jerk mushroom stir fry with white rice, salad, and avocado. So now I'm going to take a second and taste what I have in front of you guys, okay? It's number one. It's very nice. Mushroom, a little bit of spice, not too spicy. And then the balance with the corn and the other vegetables, the carrot, gives a little sweet flavor that complements the little spice. Very nice. It's very delicious. Remember, if you like my videos, remember it's Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. I'm asking you to subscribe, share, and like. Subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. If there's any special dish that you would want me to do, you can also leave that down in the comment. I'll definitely take you up on that. So until next time, be safe. In this COVID time, be extremely safe. Let us all come out of this a better person. So one love and peace out.